Welcome to Arrowhead Stadium. Here, an incredible $800 million renovation is set to turn this iconic venue into a cutting-edge masterpiece, ensuring its place in NFL history. For more than 50 years, Arrowhead has been the heart and soul of Chiefs Kingdom, a true fortress for fans. But right now, this ambitious transformation hangs in the balance, leaving the future of this cherished stadium uncertain. Will Arrowhead rise to new heights, or will it face an uncertain fate? Stick around as we explore the journey ahead. Get ready for a game-changing transformation. This isn't merely a renovation, it's a complete reinvention of Arrowhead Stadium. With cutting-edge amenities and an upgraded tailgating experience, this iconic venue is poised to elevate the game day atmosphere for over 70,000 of the NFL's most passionate fans. But here's the catch. Without this crucial upgrade, the Chiefs might be forced to look for a new home. Can Kansas City afford to lose its crown jewel? The stakes couldn't be higher, as this project has the potential to reshape the city's identity for generations to come. Just saying the name Arrowhead Stadium sends chills down the spine of any true Chiefs fan. For more than 5 decades, this legendary venue has been far more than just a place to watch football. It's the vibrant heartbeat of Chiefs Kingdom. When those gates first opened back in 1972, Arrowhead wasn't just another stadium. It was the trendsetter, the place everyone wanted to be. It put Kansas City on the map and transformed it into a cultural landmark, attracting fans from near and far. For anyone who bleeds red and gold, it's more than a destination. It's a pilgrimage. But let's face it, even the most iconic places need a little TLC every now and then. Back in 2010, while other stadiums were being retired, Arrowhead Stadium underwent an impressive makeover. This wasn't just a fresh coat of paint, it was a complete rejuvenation. The goal? To preserve that classic old-school charm while infusing it with a modern twist. And you know what? It worked wonders. Arrowhead not only maintained its relevance but also transformed into a vibrant year-round hub for events. After all these years, Arrowhead Stadium stands proud as one of the crown jewels of the NFL. And yet, let's be real, time is not kind to even the most legendary venues. With the current lease running out like the last seconds of a nail-biter, the Chiefs are proposing a major renovation to ensure Arrowhead stays a premier destination while retaining its unique charm. But it's about more than just football. For Kansas City and Missouri, this renovation means jobs and a boost for local businesses thriving on game days. The economic impact has been staggering, helping small businesses flourish and bringing in revenue that simply can't be ignored. If this deal falls through, the Chiefs might consider moving across the border to Kansas. Can you imagine Missouri without the Chiefs? This isn't just a point of pride. It's an economic lifeline that could shape the community for generations to come. You might be wondering, why not just renovate the stadium and tell us when it's ready? But hold on, it's not that straightforward. This saga has more twists than a Tarantino film. Before we dive into the Chiefs' bold renovation timeline, there's a crucial challenge you need to know about. As Arrowhead Stadium prepared to embark on its next chapter, challenges were already heating up. The big question on everyone's mind? The Jackson County Stadium sales tax. Now, I know taxes aren't the most exciting subject, but hang in there, this could be the key to Arrowhead's future and the Kansas City Chiefs' destiny. So, what's the scoop? The Jackson County Stadium sales tax was a proposed levy that would apply to all retail sales within Jackson County. This meant that every time you shopped, be it at a store, a restaurant, or any retail outlet, you'd pay an additional 38 cents for every dollar spent. So, for instance, if you dropped $100, that would add about 38 cents to your bill. Not a game changer on its own, but it could have massive implications for funding the stadium renovation. Let's be honest, who wouldn't want to see Arrowhead shining like a diamond for years to come? This project isn't just an upgrade. It's about preserving a legacy that means so much to the community. Now, here's where it gets really intriguing. This situation wasn't solely about finances. It was about keeping the Chiefs right here in Arrowhead and Jackson County. No tax, no renovation. And no renovation? Let's just say the stakes would have risen significantly. The Chiefs made it crystal clear they weren't signing a new lease unless they were guaranteed that Arrowhead would receive the top-notch upgrades it needed. Without secured funding, there would be no promised enhancements, no deal at all. On the flip side, Jackson County wasn't just handing out concessions. They needed to ensure this tax would benefit the entire community, not just the fans in those swanky suits. So what happens when a team and a county both stand to gain a lot, but risk just as much? It all comes down to a vote, the classic democratic approach to resolving issues. This vote wasn't just about the stadium. It held the power to shape the future of the Chiefs, the local community, and all the loyal fans who've supported them season after season. The Chiefs have ambitious plans to thrill their dedicated supporters with this renovation. But before we get into those exciting details, there's one critical piece of information you need to know: the results of that pivotal vote. Because let's face it, ambition alone won't make this project a reality. It's going to take significant funding to bring it to life. Sadly for the Kansas City Chiefs, the vote didn't go as planned. Jackson County voters delivered a resounding no to the proposed sales tax, with nearly 60% opposing it. Ouch! This decision threw a major curveball into the Chiefs' ambitious plans, which were relying on that funding like a quarterback facing 4th and long. The team had some huge aspirations for Arrowhead Stadium, an eye-popping $800 million renovation set to kick off right after the 2026 World Cup. The idea was to start renovations the moment the final whistle blew and wrap everything up in about 4 years. Chiefs chairman Clark Hunt and his family even committed a whopping $300 million of their own money. Now that's putting your money where your mouth is. But the remaining $500 million was contingent on that now-rejected sales tax. To bring their vision to life, the Chiefs partnered with Populous, a renowned sports design firm known for transforming stadiums around the globe. Their mission? To give Arrowhead a modern makeover while preserving the historic charm that makes it unique. The goal is clear: keep Arrowhead as the envy of NFL stadiums while ensuring fans feel right at home. But here's the catch. With the tax proposal off the table, the Chiefs are in a tight spot. The clock is ticking faster than a 2-minute drill, with their lease set to expire after the 2030 season. A crucial decision on whether to move forward with the renovation or consider other options is looming. January 2025 is the deadline. Everything is on the table, including the possibility of constructing a brand new stadium in Kansas or elsewhere in Missouri. This isn't just a routine decision. It's a franchise-altering choice that could shape the future of the Chiefs for decades to come. Kansas City, Jackson County, and the state of Missouri need to craft a winning strategy to ensure the Chiefs remain at Arrowhead. Whether through new financing, state support, or some creative solutions, the pressure is rising, and for good reason. The decision on whether the Chiefs stay at Arrowhead or relocate will create waves throughout the entire region. But before we dive into those far-reaching impacts, let's take a closer look at the grand vision the Chiefs have for their ambitious renovation plans. And this isn't just any renovation. It's an epic transformation for this 50-year-old icon that's set to make headlines across the NFL for years to come. Let's kick things off with something that truly matters: tailgating. Kansas City's legendary pre-game festivities are about to get a serious upgrade. Imagine a brand new turf-covered activation zone right where Kauffman Stadium currently stands. This will be a tailgating paradise, providing ample space for fans to grill, chill, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere all year round. Plus, with improved parking and new pedestrian bridges, you'll spend less time stuck in traffic and more time enjoying those mouth-watering barbecue vibes. Inside Arrowhead Stadium, some exciting upgrades are on the way. The seating bowl will still welcome over 70,000 passionate fans, but with a whole new level of comfort and incredible perks. Imagine a 360-degree walkway on the upper concourse. That's right, no more waiting in long snack lines while the game heats up. And to keep you comfortable no matter the weather, the new upper concourse will feature canopies with heaters and fans, ensuring you're cozy whether it's sweltering outside or frigid cold. For those seeking the ultimate game day experience, the Chiefs are going all out, literally. New sideline clubs are being constructed beneath the lower-level seating, and the end zones will soon host luxurious clubs and suites that'll make you feel like a VIP. Plus, with larger video boards, dazzling LED ribbon boards, and a state-of-the-art audio system, You'll feel like you're in the front row no matter where you sit. Get ready for an unforgettable game day experience. Tired of waiting in long lines for snacks? Good news. Concession stands at Arrowhead are evolving into grab-and-go markets, so you can quickly snag your favorite treats and get back to cheering on the Chiefs. But that's not all. Expect more retail spaces and restrooms to make your game day experience even smoother. Outside, a brand new parking deck and expanded north side parking will make tailgating a breeze. And for the grand finale, a new field access tunnel will speed up event turnovers for concerts and special events, giving visiting teams quicker access to the field. But here's the catch. All this excitement comes with a price tag. If the Chiefs want to bring this dream renovation to life, they need to secure their funding and develop a financial plan that not only supports their vision, but also gains the community's approval. The $500 million they hope to generate from the now rejected sales tax is off the table. So finding a new path forward is crucial to making this ambitious plan a reality. The Chiefs are not out of options yet. They have the chance to repackage their vision and present it to the local government, focus on lucrative sponsorship deals, or even seek out private investments. Whatever path they choose, one thing is certain: time is of the essence, and the pressure is on to keep Arrowhead Stadium shining for both fans and future generations. With January 2025 looming as a pivotal moment for the Chiefs, the stakes couldn't be higher. This isn't just about a stadium. It's about preserving the legacy of a franchise that holds a special place in the hearts of the city and its people. So buckle up, everyone. The coming months promise to be a thrilling journey as the Chiefs work tirelessly to ensure that Arrowhead Stadium remains the crown jewel of Kansas City. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the future of Arrowhead Stadium. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any updates on new videos. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. How do you feel about the renovation plans? Until next time, thanks for watching.